So I've mentioned several times in past tutorials about the extra deck. This is finally the tutorial covering those cards. There are two ways to get extra monsters in battle. The card United and Worm's Cocoon and Emerge strategies. This one is about the United card. So the card United is very unique, and you have to knock out two of your own monsters on the field that are still alive. Then you get a monster from the extra deck that is a combination of the two monsters. Giving the same example as last time, if you had a tiger and a galley on the field that were both alive, KO them both and remove them both entirely from the field. Then bring out Balin from the extra deck. It comes out at full life, but has already used its attack this turn, so it can't attack normally. This card is extra good towards the end of the duel, when all your monsters are very low on life and you want to recover a lot. Or towards the beginning of the duel, when you want to save more guts and only want to have two monsters. You can use the card called Oil to allow your newly fused monster to be able to attack this turn. In fact, you could potentially attack with both of the purebred monsters, then use United to fuse them, and use Oil on the newly acquired mixed-bred monster to have it attack this turn. Though that would require many cards in the hand and be very specific to pull off. Remember, mixed-bred monsters use the power, intelligence, and special cards of the main monster, and block and dodge of the sub-monster. And the card Ancient Memories allows the monster to use special moves of the sub-monster. Certain monsters have fusions both ways, allowing you to pick and choose what you want to do, such as Dragon and Durahan. There's both Vesuvius and Armor Dragon as mixed-bred monsters, fusing those two. So you have to decide which would be most effective. You could even have all three of your monsters that can fuse multiple times. As an example, you could have Dragon, Durahan, and Golem. And your mixed-bred monsters in the extra deck could be Armor Dragon, Vesuvius, Stone Dragon, and Kelmatix. That gives you 4 potential new monsters to summon to the field at any moment, and depending on your actions could completely change the tides of a duel. That's it for this fusion tutorial. Coming up next time is the only other reason you would have an extra deck, Cocoon and Emerge. Remember, the game can be downloaded in the description. Like, comment, subscribe, and share.